Welcome to Consumer Heaven, your go-to destination for discovering the most innovative, practical, and game-changing products from every niche. Today, we're diving into the top 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets that can make cooking, prepping, and serving at home easier, faster, and a lot more fun. These aren't just tools for chefs, they're time-saving, stress-busting solutions for anyone who loves great food without the hassle. Stick around until number 1 because it's a true game changer for every home. Number 5. Ninja Crispy Air Fryer, Microwave, Freezer, and Dishwasher Safe Cooking System, Model FN101ST. Capacity, 4 cute air fryer and 6-cup glass containers. If you've been searching for a kitchen gadget that's as versatile as it is convenient, the Ninja Crispy Portable Cooking System is your all-in-one solution. Combining air frying, baking, and microwave compatibility, this multi-purpose cooking set helps you prepare healthier meals faster without sacrificing flavor or texture. The set includes a 4-quart non-toxic glass air fryer system and 6-cup glass containers with secure storage lids, making it ideal for meal prepping, cooking, and storing all in one. The non-toxic borosilicate glass construction ensures durability and safety, while the portability means you can take your meals on the go without spills. Whether you're reheating leftovers, baking desserts, or air frying crispy favorites, you can count on consistent results every time. And when the cooking is done, cleanup is a breeze. Everything is dishwasher safe. From weeknight dinners to weekend gatherings, the Ninja Crispy makes easy, mess-free meals a reality. Number 4. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer, Green. Perfectly ripe avocados deserve the perfect tool, and the OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer delivers just that. Designed for avocado lovers, this gadget takes you from whole fruit to ready-to-eat slices in seconds. The serrated plastic blade cuts through skin and flesh without being sharp to the touch, ensuring safe handling. Its stainless steel pitting tool removes the pit with a simple twist, while the fan blade slices the fruit into even, uniform pieces. The soft, non-slip grip gives you total control, even when your hands are wet, and its compact size makes it easy to store in any kitchen drawer. From guacamole prep to avocado toast mornings, this slicer saves time, reduces mess, and ensures you get the perfect avocado every time. It's dishwasher safe, so cleaning is as easy as enjoying your perfectly sliced fruit. Number 3. Zulai Kitchen Stainless Steel Wire Cheese Slicer, Adjustable Thickness. Whether you love thick slices for sandwiches or paper-thin cuts for cheese boards, the Zulai Kitchen Stainless Steel Wire Cheese Slicer is built for precision and durability. Its sturdy stainless steel frame ensures stability while cutting, and the adjustable wire tension lets you control slice thickness with ease. Perfect for mozzarella, cheddar, Gouda, Gruyere, and more, this slicer comes with 2 extra wires to keep you prepared for years of use. The ergonomic handle design provides a comfortable grip, while the smooth cutting action ensures minimal crumbling. Ideal for home cooks, entertainers, and cheese enthusiasts, it's the perfect tool for upgrading your charcuterie presentation or simply making lunchtime sandwiches more enjoyable. The sleek silver finish is easy to clean, and its compact size means it won't clutter your countertop. Number 2. Weinter 2.1-quart Automatic Ice Cream Maker with Built-in Compressor, ICM 200LS. Make creamy, decadent ice cream at home, no pre-freezing required with the Weinter ICM 200LS Automatic Ice Cream Maker. Equipped with a built-in compressor, this 2.1-quart machine allows continuous use, so you can make batch after batch of ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt without waiting. Its stainless steel housing offers a premium look and easy cleaning, while the LCD digital display and built-in timer make operation foolproof. Whether you're experimenting with unique flavors or sticking to the classics, the powerful motor churns frozen treats to perfection in under an hour. The removable mixing bowl and churn blade make cleanup simple, and its compact design means it fits comfortably on most countertops. This is the ultimate tool for dessert lovers who want to take control of their ingredients and enjoy fresh, homemade creations anytime. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 10-cup food processor and vegetable chopper with bowl scraper 70730. From slicing and shredding to mincing and pureeing, the Hamilton Beach 10-cup food processor handles it all with ease. No need to stop and scrape the bowl thanks to its built-in scraper attachment. This time-saving design keeps ingredients moving toward the blades, ensuring even results without constant stopping. The large 10-cup capacity is perfect for preparing family-sized portions of salads, sauces, or doughs, and the powerful motor handles tough jobs like shredding cheese or slicing potatoes with ease. The stainless steel S-blade and reversible slicing shredding disc offer versatility for different recipes, while the simple 2-speed plus pulse control makes it easy to get the exact texture you want. The bowl, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup, and the compact design makes storage hassle-free. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or cooking for a crowd, this processor delivers performance and convenience in one sleek package. That's our list of the top 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets that can turn your cooking from a chore into a joy. Whether you're slicing, freezing, air frying, or simply streamlining your prep work, these tools save time and make every kitchen session smoother. If you spotted something you love, you'll find all the product links in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews, buyer's guides, and smart shopking tips across all niches. Until next time, shop smart, live better.